Hey, what's going on? It's Kyle here, and I'm the founder and CEO of ClickSpy. And if you don't know what ClickSpy is already, it's a link tracking software. So in this video, I'm going to just give you a quick walk around and just kind of show you where everything's at. And so let's just go ahead and get started. So if you go to cliksp.io, which is the tracking domain, you'll come to this login page, and if you haven't registered already, just hit the register button, and then you'll verify your email and you'll be able to log in. So I'm gonna just go ahead and log in, and basically this is the dashboard right here, and right here you see all the different links. I've got several links. I think I've got like 13 of them to be exact, and so this is where all your links are going to show up. Right here is the total account stats. So basically, if you were to add all of these clicks together, like all the total clicks will be right here, and then all the unique clicks, which is like unique people that clicked on it, is going to show up right below that. And up here on the top you have dashboard, which we're at right now. It'll be highlighted red, and then you have profile, affiliates, tutorials, upgrade, log out. So profile, this is where you set all of your personal information up. When you register, it'll already have your information in right here, but if you wanted to change like your name or your phone number or any of that stuff, you can change that right here, and then just click save changes. And then over here, this is very important if you're wanting to affiliate this software. Basically, you enter your payment information. So this is my PayPal, this is my Cash App. I put a bunch of different options in here, but there's also an option at the very bottom. It says credit card other. So like if you have like a online payment processor like Stripe or Square or something like that, or maybe you can accept payments on your website, you can put that right here, the URL that goes to that, and just make sure you click save changes. And right over here, if you wanted to change your password, you can do that here. And also right here, this isn't done just yet, but this is basically going to be your ad placement. So like if you get someone onto this software, like if you give them your referral link and they sign up, basically you can put whatever kind of ads you want. This is where the picture will be, and then the ad description, and then the link. So that'll basically show up with a button. So basically when your prospect logs in, they'll see your ads in their affiliate dashboard. So right here's the affiliates dashboard, and you can see your username right here, and then total sales, paid members, total leads. Now the total members and total leads are going to be the same because that's just the people that you got to sign up. And here's the graph right here that shows you your total opt-ins and your total sales. So the opt-ins are the green line right here, and then the sales are this red line, and you can hover over and see how many sales you got. And as you can see, I got 2 sales on this day. And you can also switch from a bar chart, to the line chart. I might add some more options later, but for now I feel like that's good enough. And on the bar chart you can hover over and look at that. And right here is your affiliate link. Even if you have the free account, this will still show up, and you can click this, but you can't affiliate this software unless you pay for it. So you can have your affiliate link, but when someone goes to visit it, it's going to show that you haven't paid for the account yet, and it'll just redirect to the default. So you won't be able to affiliate unless you actually pay for the software. And this is your membership status. So me, I'm the CEO, so that's right there. Yours will probably say beta, or if you bought it, it'll say like level 1, 2, or 3, because level 1, 2, and 3 are the only available levels right now. I'm still working on 4 and 5, but they should be done very quickly. And right here, this is a button if you wanted to upgrade from like a free account to a paid account, or if you're already on a paid account, you could upgrade to a higher level. Now, since I'm the CEO and I click on this, it's not going to show anything because I'm already at the highest level. So going down here, this is the ad placement. So this would be like your inviter it would be their ads that they set in their account. So whenever you set your ads, they'll show up on your prospect's account right here. And, you can click this button to check it out. But that's not set up just yet. It'll be set up very, very shortly. And as you can see right here, this is your recent sales. So basically, it's going to show up, when you make a sale, the user information will show up right here. And the username, email, first name, last name, level purchased. And then you'll have recent opt-ins, and these are all the emails that have opted in, whether paid or free account. And so those will show right there. And then your email list, this is just, every email that's signed up. And basically this is for a future application, because I'm going to make it to where you can, have, I'll make a opt-in form like at the very beginning, like when someone clicks your link, and you can turn that on or off, or you could put your own on there. So that's just for later use right now, but that's just all the people that have signed up. It's basically the same as the recent opt-ins. So I'm going to come back up here, and this is where you'll find the tutorials. These will be in here by the time you see this tutorial. And then upgrade is basically the same thing, where you go through and select the level that you want to pay for. And so that's a quick walk around of the dashboard. And, right here, like if you get someone that paid, that will show up right here. And then you can click to, accept or disapprove that payment. But we'll go over that later. So as I was saying earlier, here's your total account stats. That's total clicks for your entire account and total unique clicks. And if I click right here, this is going to give us graphs and visualization data for all of your links in your whole entire account. So this is basically the same as like on the last page. It's your total account clicks and your total unique clicks. And then you have link rankings. This shows the top 5 links. So basically, this link right here is ranking number 1. That's my most popular link. And then number 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it shows you the total clicks of each link. So really, really handy if you're looking to see which link is the best performer. And then right here, we have 10 most recent clicks. This is what it defaults to. Now you can change this. So I can go down here and I could say 25 and load clicks. And basically it's going to load 25 clicks now. And as you can see, it says 25 up here now. Or I could say 100 or just however many I have, right? So now we're doing 100 links. And what's really cool about this is you can see, from the most recent clicks and, on back in time, you can see exactly how long ago it was clicked. So that's a really cool feature that I haven't seen in very many click trackers. And if you scroll on down, you'll see link weight, traffic percentage. This shows your top 10 links, and basically it's the percentage of the total clicks that this link got. So my Facebook bio group link got 23%, and when you hover over, you can see the little tooltip pop up, and it's 23% of the total clicks, and you can see what each of these are. This is 16%, 14%, so on and so forth. And over here, we have the top 10 countries, and basically this is the top 10 countries that have clicked on your link. So if you hover over, you can see this is 45% United States. So it's safe to say that most of my audience is in the United States, quickly followed by the United Kingdom, 22%, and then Australia. So you get a really good idea, like with the links that you share, you get a really good idea of, where everyone's from that's clicking on your links. Now you can use this data for various things like figuring out when to do lives, figuring out when to post on Facebook, or, there's a bunch of different things you can use it for. I won't go into great detail right now. We'll go into more detail later. And right here's the top 10 operating systems, so you can see that iOS is the top operating system, so that's Apple, iPhone, and then Android, and so on and so forth. And you can see the percentage of each device that's used. And right here you have the top 6 browsers. So you can tell what browsers people are using mainly to visit your links, and you can use this data to optimize your web pages, towards certain browsers if you wish. And this shows the top 6, and right here you have languages, and these are your top languages. And I'll show you this cool little feature, so you can turn each one of them off so you can see in greater detail these smaller ones down here. So I can turn United States off, I can turn this one off, turn this one off, and you can see like a better representation of these smaller languages right here. And then over here, this is a really cool feature. You can tell how many clicks you got every day of the past week. This calculates the data for the past 7 days. And so you can see on Saturday I got 4 clicks, on Friday I got 6 clicks, Thursday 3 clicks, so on and so forth. And this, just remember that this page is for the entire account. And right down here you have mobile, tablet, laptop, desktop, so you can tell, most people are using mobile. And once again, you can use this data to optimize whatever it is, like your landing pages, etc., for mobile, since most are using mobile. And then you can see some are using desktop, and then some of them large tablet and laptop. So that is the account total stats page. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard and I'll show you another thing. So each one of these links, it tells you the total clicks that link got and the unique clicks that link got. And you can get more detail by clicking more stats. And as you can see, this is the same thing. It tells you how many total clicks for that link and the total unique clicks. And right here, this is your tracking link. So this link right here is what you give to your prospect, and you can copy it by clicking that button, and it copies it to the clipboard. And this one also, this is the destination link, so this is where it's going, and you can also copy that as well. So moving on down, we have recent click data, and basically these are each individual click, and it tells you what date that they clicked it, the country, state, city, OS. As you can see, it's a lot of data. You can tell exactly like where they're from, what kind of device they're using, their IP address, the referral. So the referral is just like what website they came from before they clicked on your link. And then you have user agent. That's basically, it tells you like what kind of operating system they have, what kind of browser they're using. And then unique fingerprint, device, resolution, language, proxy, VPN. So if you're wondering, is this, because with a proxy and a VPN you can basically spoof your location. So over here with this detection, you can tell, do I trust this location or not? So you can tell if they're using a proxy or a VPN. So this is basically the same type of data that was on that other total account stats page. You can see the top 6 countries, top 6 operating systems, top 6 browsers, languages, weekly total clicks, and this is for the individual links, and also the mobile, tablet, laptop, desktop. And down here you can reset your statistics for this link. I'm not going to do it right now, but if you hit OK, it'll reset all of the stats, and that is permanent. But I'm going to hit cancel. And this is a really cool feature. So like if you wanted to click on your link to make sure it worked, and you don't want it to skew your results, you can also delete that individual click. But I'm going to just click cancel. And so I'm going to go back to the dashboard. Right here is where all your groups are. So you can group different links together. I'll show you that right quick. So I'm going to click Ava text bot, and this is basically going to just show my Ava links. As you can see, there's only 5 of them, and if I click none, you can see there's a lot more. So you can basically group your links together, and legendary marketers, just 1. So I'm going to go back to none. Right here is to create a new link, and you just fill this information out. We'll go over that in the next tutorial. And then you can also create a new group. And So right here is if you want to delete the link. So you click that X and hit OK, and it will delete this link and all of its data. I'm going to just hit cancel because I don't want to delete it. And then if you want to edit the link, you click this left button right up here, and this will edit the link. And as you can see, here's the options. I'm going to just hit cancel because I'm not going to edit it at this time. And the other thing you can do is you can copy the tracking link for a particular link. So I'm going to click this and it will copy that particular tracking link. So that's a basic overview of ClickSpy. And we're going to go into more detail here in just a minute. I'm going to teach you how to create your first link, and I'm going to show you how it works and all the data that it collects. So I will see you on the next video, and thanks for watching.